Alright guys, this is part 2 of pulling the engine on my Subaru. I've got a couple things I gotta do. I'm gonna pull the downpipe, get it ready, get the engine mounts, the bolt nuts taken off, and then I'm also going to pull the headlights, take the crash bar out, and I mean that has nothing to do with pulling the motor, but I'm wanting to touch up, kind of paint everything, so I'm gonna take all the headlights out, take that out, because I will be on front mount, so that needs to go anyway. And then maybe clean all this up. Like, I don't know what this sensor is, but it's just zip tied up there and all that. All right guys, I've got the downpipe out of the way. It's a 3-piece downpipe. So I just pulled that middle section, and then I can pull this top piece whenever I get the motor out. I'm hoping it doesn't cause any issues when I go to pull it, but we'll see. This should be out of the way, so that'll help out. And I got the 2 nuts off of the motor mounts down there, so that's good. So now, I mean, if I wanted to, I could pull it. I just gotta take the bell housing bolts out, but I'm still waiting on a cherry picker. So for now, we're gonna pull these headlights, get them out of the way, get this crash bar out of the way, and then that might be it for this one. All right, it's a couple days later, and one last thing I have to do, I have to pull that plug out and then pull a pin to disengage the clutch fork, and then I'm gonna take the bolts out of that pitch stop mount, and I have a jack under the transmission so I can kind of come up on it as I come up on the motor. All right guys, if you can see, I have the plug out. I'm gonna throw this bolt into it and then use this slide hammer / injector puller and pull that pin out. All right, there's the pin out. You just thread a little bolt in there, and then I pulled it out with the injector puller. I'm taking the pitch stop mount off, and then I can start doing all the bell housing bolts. Well guys, I kind of forgot to film while I started, but I got all the bolts out. Got the engine hoist all hooked up, and I'm working on pulling it out now. All right guys, it's officially pulled out. Got it on the stand, and now I can start pulling everything off that I'm gonna need for the new motor. All right guys, that's gonna do it. I'll catch you in the next one. Peace.